welcome to GPSTR CTT channel. As you know that I'm solving TET 2020 Karnataka TET Maths Paper 2 question. In previous video I already discussed 10 questions. In that one question I left, and that question I will discuss. After that I will discuss 6 to 7 next questions. First question, in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, angle A is equal to 48 degree, angle ACD is 18 degree. What is the angle of BCD? This angle we have to find. As you know that the sum of internal angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and also they have given one data. This side AB and AC are equal. So from this what we know that if opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles also equal. If suppose this angle is x, this angle also x. So 48 plus x plus is 180 degree, so angle x is 66 degree. Means this angle x AC ABC is there, this is 66 degree. Similarly this ACB, this angle is 66 degree. So here this whole angle is there, this is 66 degree, but this is 18 degree. What about this angle? So for that what we have to do, simply this 18 plus y, that is 66 degree. So that y angle is there, that is 66 minus 18, that is 48 degree. So this angle DCB is 48 degree. Next, this 100 question I already discussed. This question I have to discuss. The angles of quadrilaterals are in the ratio of 3:5:7:9. The measure of its smallest angle. As you know that the sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. That is, they are in the ratio 3x, 5x, 7x and 9x. So if you sum of all these angles, all these ratios, 3x, 5x, 7x, 9x is equal to 360 degree, we'll get 24x 360. So x is equal to 15 degree. But they asked what is the smallest angle. Here smallest angle is 3x. 3 into 15, that is 45 degree. Next question. DEF are the midpoints of the sides BC, CE, CA and AB of the triangle ABC. The ratio of triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Simply we have to know that this triangle ABC is there, this is having 4 smaller equal triangles, similar triangles. In that each triangle is of 1 unit. FED is there, this angle is 1 unit. Similarly AFE, FDB and EDC, these are all 1 unit triangles. So angle DF is 1 unit. So triangle ABC is 4 because this is having 4 small triangles, each of 1 unit. So this is 4, triangle DF is 1. So ratio is 4:1. Next, chord of length 16 centimeter is drawn at a distance of 6 centimeter from the center of circle. See here, the center of circle is O. From this to this chord, the distance is 6 centimeter. They have given. The radius of this circle is what? So this AO is there, na? This is radius. What should be the radius of this AO? For that what we have to do, we know that they have given already the chord length of AB is 16 centimeter. Half of chord is here 8 centimeter, here 8 centimeter. From Pythagoras theorem we know that this to find AO square, it is sum of AC square plus CO square. So AC square is 8 centimeter, OC square is 6 centimeter. They are already given. So it is root of 100, that is 10 centimeter. So this radius AO is there, na? This is 10 centimeter. The area of quadrant of a circle, when perimeter of a circle is a 44 centimeter. We know that for perimeter of a circle is 2 pi r. They have given 2 pi r equal to 44 centimeter. On solving we'll get radius is 7 centimeter. So area of quadrant is pi r square by 4, because quadrant means 1/4 of that circle. That's why pi r square by 4. On substitution we'll get area of quadrant is 38.5 cm square. Triangle ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. APD and BPC are the two equal semicircles touching each other as shown in figure. The area of shaded region we have to find. As you know that this is a square each of 14 centimeter length. So area of shaded region, to find this, what we have to do, from area of square, if you subtract the area of these two semicircles, we'll get this shaded region. For that, area of square is side square. Side is 14 centimeter and we have to take square minus area of semicircles. As you know that area of semicircle is half pi r square. Here I have multiplied with 2 because there are two semicircles, so 2 into half pi r square, so a cancellation, this 2 will get 14 square minus pi r square. 14 square means 196 and pi r square 5 means 22 by 7. R means here uh, r is 7. 7 square is 49. So on doing calculation we'll get 42 cm square. Next question. The sum of natural numbers between 100 and 200 which are exactly divisible by 6 is. So we know that the natural numbers between 100 and 200 which are divisible by 6. First we have to see from 100. 101 is not divisible by 6. So 102 it is divisible by 6. After that, if you add every 6 units, you will get a number that is divisible by 6. 102, after that 108, 114, up to so on up to 198. So first term is 102, difference is 6, Tn is 198, so n value you have to find. So Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N is 17, because like this if you do, we are having 17 terms. For that 17 terms, if you don't know, means simply from this Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 t formula, Tn is 198, a is 102, n minus 1 into 6. Here we have found n value is 17. Simply if you substitute n value 17 here, we will get Sn value, sum of natural numbers between 100 to 200 is 17 into 150, that is 2550. Friends, we are left with 6 questions. After that I will try to solve biology questions. Please subscribe to my channel GPHTR CTT. Please share it with your friends as much as possible so that I can get motivation. Thank you, friends.